In this video, we will see about 5-year plan or planning commission from first to sixth plan. First 5-year plan 1951 to 56. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, based on Harrod Tomar model. Third, end of this plan, 5 IITs were set up in country. Shortcut trick, deep pictures. First T for transport, second P for power, third I for industry, fourth C for communications, fifth S for social service. Second 5-year plan from 1956 to 61. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, based on P.C. Mahalanobis model. Shortcut trick, Madras. First, M for Mahalanobis model. Second, A for Atomic Energy Commission. Third, D for Durgapur Steel Company, Tata Institution. Fourth, R for Rourkela Steel Company, Rapid Industrialization. Fifth, A for Agriculture. Sixth, S for Socialistic Pattern of Society. Third 5-year plan from 1961 to 66. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, also called as Gadgil Yojana. Shortcut trick, SAD. First, S for self-reliance. Second, A for agriculture. Third, D for development of industry. Fourth 5-year plan from 1969 to 74. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. Second, 14 major Indian banks were nationalized. Third, Green Revolution was started. Fifth 5-year plan from 1974 to 1979. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. Second, mainly focused on Garibi Hatao. Shortcut trick, postman. First, P for poverty eradication. Second, S for self-reliance. Third, T for 20-point program. Fourth, M for minimum need program. Sixth 5-year plan from 1980 to 85 under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. Shortcut trick, mail. First, M for management. Second, A for agriculture production. Third, I for industry production. Fourth, L for local development schemes. Thank you.